video, guys. I'm actually on my way over to Vegas. Plans for the day are I'm gonna go see my apartment. Rather than just seeing pictures of it online, I'd rather actually see the actual unit that I'm gonna be living in, where it is in the complex, the view, everything, and just make sure everything's good before I actually like fully take off over there. I just stopped at Starbucks, got a reduced fat turkey bacon sandwich. So I'll put the macros for this on the screen, pretty much one of my go-tos. And a grande iced Americano. And then I also would like to get a nice haircut while I'm over there. I haven't had like a great haircut that I've really been happy with ever in LA, to be honest. That's why I'm always wearing this hat. When I lived in Orlando, I used to never wear hats, and lately I've just come to the realization that I don't want to wear hats. I feel better when I'm not wearing a hat, and I feel better when I have that nice, fresh, clean cut. All my fellas out there, you guys can relate to this. There's just something about a fresh cut, man. You just feel like a new man. Like, you feel like yourself, you feel fresh, you feel confident, your self-esteem is up. You just feel good. Ladies, same thing when you guys, get a haircut as well. So that's the plan for the day. I don't really have too much planned besides that. I'm definitely gonna get a workout in, whether it's at the hotel or I may try some gyms in the area. And I wanted to vlog this because this is the type of stuff that, like, I want to do vlogs when I'm doing things that are like interesting, that are fun, that are like traveling, new things, new experiences. It's hard to really vlog every day. Almost every day is like kind of the same for me in a way. Like, not much changes on a day-to-day basis. So that's why I've kind of resorted to doing more just like talking videos with you guys, and as well as just like workout videos with you guys, because when I do those also help the channel to grow a lot more, because YouTube is a search engine. So this is going to be a tip for you guys. YouTube is a search engine, so it's extremely hard to grow a vlog channel because vlogs are not like, they're not really things you search for. You have to be like super entertaining to really grow as a vlogger, and you have to be always doing crazy things to keep people entertained. It's much easier to actually make videos on a topic. When people go to YouTube, they look up, chest and back workout, or how to do this, how to do that, this supplement versus that, what's the best for this. Like, people look up these things, and that's how you're ultimately going to grow a YouTube channel, because YouTube is owned by Google. So again, it's about searchability. If you can combine entertainment with education, that's going to be the best way to grow it. And that's why I like doing these vlogs sometimes, because it's entertainment, and then it also allows you to get more behind the scenes of my life and kind of what I do, and so that you can relate to me more and just see what I do on a day-to-day basis as well. So I'm gonna keep the vlogs to pretty much just like traveling around type things. So we've got about 3.5 hours left until we get there. Beautiful day out. It was very like smoggy in LA, very foggy. It's very nice over here in the Eastern California area. So that's the plan for the day, guys. The first thing I'm gonna do is get a haircut. So just got here to Vegas a little while ago. It is hot, like hot. It's like 105 degrees outside. Later in the week it's supposed to be 112, so it is hot. The heat is real. Personally, like, just being from Florida, I don't really mind it. I'm used to it. I've grown up in it. Not to this degree, not this dry heat. I'm actually going to get a gallon of water so that way I have some water, stay hydrated. And there I just had some Subway. So I just had a meatball sub, foot long. And then I got 3 raspberry cheesecake cookies, so I'll put those macros here as well. Kind of cool that I can show you guys not only just my day and what I do, but also kind of introduce the nutrition aspect into it as well. Because at the end of the day, I think a lot of us, we fall into this, 6 small meals a day, bodybuilding type diets, and then, we train back one day, chest one day, shoulders one day, and we fall into this like bodybuilding split and this bodybuilding coaching style. And don't get me wrong, it works and it's great for like a short period of time, but the thing is, when you're doing those type of diets and workouts, it's not sustainable for long term. It's something that you can only do for a short period of time before you get tired of it. You want to have different foods, you want to do different workouts, and some people don't want to spend 6 days a week in the gym, so it's a nice way to change it up.
2,000 years later.
All right, what is going on, guys? So as you can tell, got that fresh cut. Oh, feeling like myself again, finally. It's been so long since I've had a good haircut that I really like. So pretty much ever since Florida, honestly, I've had some good hair, like decent haircuts, but none that I've been really happy with. And I'm super happy that I found a good barber here in Vegas that I can now go to. But guys, check out this room. I just got here to the Westin in Lake Las Vegas. So I'm just gonna turn this around so you guys can see. Walk in, you got a living room over here. Right as you walk in, you got a bathroom. So just a little regular bathroom. Connecting door to another room. Big TV, nice desk, couch, wet bar. Check out this view. The sun is setting, so it's a little bit dark, but look at that. You can see the common areas over there. You can see the pool back there. See the mountains, and then this is Lake Las Vegas. So you can see everything back there. This is just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. This is not something like, this is not typically something that you would think of when you hear Las Vegas. You don't think of like a lake and water, but all right. So here's the bedroom. Nice king bed, another TV, nice seating area. This closet. We got the selfie mirror, so that right there, and then we got the nice main bathroom right here. Oh boy. So this is awesome. Super happy with this room. Got another view over here, and this one, oh, this one actually has a balcony. This is so fucking beautiful and just badass. I'm so grateful for this. This is like exactly what I needed today. It's been a great day. I went and saw my apartment. I didn't show you guys the actual footage because I want to save that for when I actually move in, but I went and saw my actual unit that I'm going to be living in. So excited for it. It has a pool view. I didn't even know it had a pool view, so that's like a huge bonus that I saw today. I got a fucking fresh haircut. I'm loving the heat. I got this nice room upgrade. Like, today is a good day. God is good. And I'm just like, I don't know, today is just like I haven't had a good day like this in a long time. So, I'm just grateful, man. Sometimes you gotta just breathe sometimes and just realize all the good that you have in your life. You know, sometimes we complain and, you know, these different things, but man, sometimes you gotta just realize how blessed you are. So plan for the rest of the night, guys. I'm gonna get a nice workout in. I'm gonna film it for you guys. They have a really good gym here, so I'm gonna take you guys through my workout. I'm gonna do a upper body workout, so it's gonna be back, chest, shoulders, arms. It's gonna be everything. I haven't actually worked out in like probably 3 days or so, just because I just needed a break. I felt like I was going through the motions. I wasn't really like immersed in my training, and I always want to be immersed in my training. So took a few days off and gonna start up fresh. So I'm gonna enjoy this view, guys, for sunset. I'll catch you guys when I get to the gym. All right, what's up, guys? Welcome to the workout portion of the video. I'm just gonna talk to you guys a little bit through the workout. Started with some bodyweight pull-ups here, and just because I like to do these to warm up, get that nice stretch there. And I do 50 reps to warm up. Now, however many sets you need to do to get 50 is fine. If you can only do 5 at a time, then do 5 at a time and do 10 sets. But the goal is to get just 50 reps to go ahead and warm up. After that, I moved into straight bar push downs. They didn't have a single bar that I could put on the cables, so I attached this double bar. It worked really well. And basically, you just want to drive this into your hip region when you're doing this. Then we moved into our first chest exercise, which was a machine chest press here.
And the key here is just to always keep your shoulders rolled back, keep your chest out farther than your shoulders, and make sure that you're actually feeling it in your chest. If you're not feeling it in your chest, chances are your shoulders are rolled forward, so just make sure that you roll them back. After that, moved into lat bar pull downs, did 3 sets here. Everything was 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps roughly. To be honest with you, I wasn't really counting reps. I just have them here on the screen so you have some sort of a guideline to go by if you want to actually try this workout. This workout wasn't too structured, to be honest. I just kind of wanted to get away from the city and get away from the craziness of Los Angeles, and that's ultimately why I took this trip. I really wasn't planning on taking this trip. It was just super spontaneous. I woke up and just decided that I wanted to go to Vegas for the day and stay the night. So that's kind of the whole video here. I know it was a little back and forth and it wasn't the most structured video, but I had fun making it. I had fun vlogging, and ultimately I had a good time taking some time to take a little trip and to get away. So I always encourage you guys, if you feel like you're getting maybe a little burnt out, you feel like your routine is getting very mundane, it's going to be the same day in and day out, go somewhere and travel. Even if it's just an hour away, 2 hours away, go somewhere for the night. Just traveling and getting out of your comfort zone and getting into a new environment can really just help to open up your mind, shift your perspective, and ultimately while you're there, what I recommend is, if you're feeling that way, just disconnect. Use that time to yourself and just focus on kind of how you're feeling, and just kind of just taking that time for some self-care. And I think that's really important, and traveling is the way that personally I like to do that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was longer than normal, and like I said, I know it wasn't like too structured or too exciting, too much going on, but like I said, I had a good time making it. I had a great time while I was there. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. If you're not subscribed, make sure that you click the subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.